And welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram black screen. So if you are facing this problem on the Instagram, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to tap a while on the Instagram and go to the info button from here. Once you will do it, after that you will see this type of the page. Go to the storage and the cache, and here you will see two options: clear cache and the clear storage. So first of all, clear cache and then clear storage. Once you will click on it, after that try to open Instagram, and you can't face this issue. But in case if you face the same problem, simply use the other trick. Go open your Play Store, and right here you have to search for the Instagram. Once you will search for the Instagram, just update it from here. So this is the only other way. Just update it from here and your problem will be solved. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.